Helicopteros Sanitarios, more than 25 years leading the way in emergency, doctor home services and air evacuation. Health emergencies such as traffic accidents, heart diseases, neurological emergencies, transfers of pediatric patients in incubators, or rapidly transporting donor organs are some of the services provided by our helicopter. This model, an EC-135, manufactured by Airbus, has a diameter of 12.16 metres, a width of 2.65 metres and a height of 3.51 metres. Its capacity is of nearly 3 tonnes. It is piloted by 2 pilots and 3 passengers. Cargo cabin is around 6 cubic metres with a multitude of accesses. Autonomy of the helicopter is above 630 kilometres. A maximum cruising speed is 137 kilometres per hour. It is equipped with a twin engine and can maintain flight with a single engine in case of emergencies. It has been specifically designed to give a low environmental impact, respecting the maximum noise levels recommended by the OMS. The Eurocopter 135 is the safest aircraft in its category and offers an effective response to any health emergency. The patient is immobilized and accessed through the rear entrance, which allows a secure and comfortable transfer. The stretcher is anchored to a rail of the aircraft and has 2 seatbelts to ensure immobilization in the interior of the cabin, so that the patient suffers no awkward movements or vibrations during transport. Inside the helicopter, there is everything needed to treat an emergency. Medical supplies are at hand in 3 medical bags for rapid access. They contain medication, resuscitation apparatus, vascular access, airway controls and dressings. Electromedical equipment are vital in cases of vital illnesses, which compromises the patient's life. The ventilator is a device used to control respiration in an intubated patient who is unable to breathe for themselves. 100% oxygen can be pumped into the lungs and has several hours battery life. It is permanently connected to an oxygen bottle equipped with security valve. Due to changes in air pressure during flight, difficulties are encountered when administering pharmaceutical treatments, which is why it is essential to have an infusion pump to avoid interruption or blockage while administering intravenous medication. The helicopter is equipped with 2 oxygen bottles to administer the various concentrations needed by the patient. The monitor defibrillator is a complex device that requires specific training. Our equipment allows us to perform tasks such as controlling the patient's heart, perform defibrillation, controlling blood pressure, oxygen saturation in blood, or perform cardioversion during flight. To ensure that the patient's airways remains permeable on board, there is also a secretions aspirator. This device is frequently used and allows us to keep the unconscious patient in optimal conditions during transport to hospital. In trauma injuries, such as a traffic accident or spinal cord injury, we dispose of a complete immobilization equipment such as a vacuum mattress, semi-rigid splints, immobilization table, a spinal immobilizer, and cervical collars, within others. These are some of the options that our healthcare professionals count with when attending an emergency which requires complete immobilization of the patient and transfer to the hospital, ensuring maximum security. In coordination with a great team of professionals who make up Helicopteros Sanitarios, we can assure the best quality and guarantee a rapid and professional service within any emergency. Helicopteros Sanitarios, always beside you.